Beyond Cool is back, and today this is the simplest recipe, and I would say 99.9% the most tastiest chicken you could ever do in the oven. So oven roasted chicken. This will even definitely I know people love Costco Rotisserie Chickens. This will definitely be as good, or in my eyes better, if it's something that you can do with just simple ingredients and you know what's going on your chicken and how you're basting it. So very simple. Let's get started. We have roughly a 4-pound chicken right here. This recipe goes for 4 pounds. When we talk about the time in the oven, you add or subtract minutes to make sure that it's cooked. Of course, you can utilize a meat thermometer, which we will do to make sure that the chicken is done. So we'll start right now. We have 4 pounds, and usually I like to wash my chicken. I already did. I just like to pat dry it, because I do want to baste it with olive oil, something very easy that everyone has in the kitchen. Olive oil is pretty much all you need to baste. Look at this bad boy. Perfect, 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 perfect. Again, you'll be so surprised. So if you would like to hear future recipes, definitely don't forget to subscribe. So there we go. It's all patted. I'll just throw away the paper towel, not touch anything. I like to trim it. So what do you mean by trimming if it's a whole chicken recipe? Well, I don't like this right here, so I'll cut that off. Just any extra fat, I'll throw that away afterwards. Oh, this is gross. Yikes. You don't need that. I already checked the inside. It's pretty clear and empty. Usually they don't give you the giblets or the heart or the liver when you buy chicken at a grocery store. But if you do, that's a bonus. You can use it afterwards. Right here, no matter what, a lot of people leave it on. A lot of famous chefs say it's awesome. But I'll be honest with you. Let's cut this off, because this is the behind of the chicken, so the butt. And I don't think you're a fan of eating a butt. So that's disgusting. I won't even use it for chicken stock. That goes in the garbage. So here we go. Now, let's leave the scissors here just in case we need them. Now let's baste. So I'll grab some olive oil with my clean hand. My clean hand is right here. Pour in some olive oil. Oh, a little bit too much, but I'll use it for something else afterwards. The best investment is just buying a cheap brush that can be easily washed, and this is all you do. Painting skills. I know that painting is fun, it's relaxing, keeps you out of trouble, and just lather it, slather it, slather it. Don't worry, go crazy. So again, 4-pound chicken. Look at this, look at that. That's beautiful. Okay. This hand is still clean, my right hand. My left hand is a little bit, needs a good washing. And I think it's beautiful. Look at this. Now this will definitely baste and also keep the spices from moving. And this is the simplest spice blend ever. Simplest spice blend ever. Just 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and that's it. But look at that, look at that. There's red. So you know me, a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne. Cayenne pepper is optional, has amazing health benefits. I'm not a doctor, but Google it. So again, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you don't like this heat of the cayenne, then throw in a half a teaspoon of paprika, any type of paprika. So that's now both my hands are going to get dirty, but hey, that's why we couldn't use soap and water to wash it. So right here is all we need. So I just like to, oh, I could do it this way. Then this hand is still good. Wow. Didn't even think of that. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay. Oh, it's slippery. Slippery when wet. So the oil definitely is a little slippery. Okay. 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 I like the front. Let's make sure we get all those spices at the bottom of the board. I don't want to lose it. And also, I don't want to waste it. And of course, clean it afterwards, which is a lot easier. More gross stuff. Now, this is optional. Again, a lot of things are optional. All you need is salt, black pepper, and olive oil. But everything else is optional. So a lot of people say that this part of the breastbone dries out really quickly. So some people will do this. Again, this is optional. You crisscross. Oh, whatever happened to that band? So, oh, again, my hands are slippery. Okay. And guess what? You're protecting that right there. Again, optional, but it won't dry out that part of the, oh, lucky I kept the scissors. Keep that part moist. Leave that there. Let's move this away now. Let's move that away. Because this is the secret. This is the secret. Have your oven at 450. Once again, 450. 450. 450. Oh, if you want to be cool, you can try to play with the wings and hide it underneath. If they cooperate, and one does, and then the other one moves, we'll just leave it like that. Some people can do it, maneuver it. I'm fine with that, but I would just want to make sure that you saw it. So I'm going to quickly wash my hands. Give me less than 10 seconds, and I'll wash them again even better with soap. Now, the oven is at 450. As I said, 450. 450. So what's in my oven is a cast iron pot, frying pan. You can use any frying pan that's allowed in your oven that can go up to 450 or higher. It's smoking. It's smoking. So the oven is on at 450. This frying pan is at 450. Well, that's how hot it is. You can see steam coming from it. There is a little bit of oil in there. It's not because of the chicken. It's just like I like to keep my cast iron frying pans with a lot of oil in them. They don't rust, and then they're easy to clean afterwards too. So very simple. Any pan that can go in the oven. You can use glassware. I've never tried glassware, but again, I want the heat from the pan, so maybe stay away from glassware. And you can hear it sizzling, and there's no need to put anything in this frying pan. Shove that bad boy back into the oven. middle rack. Let's set the timer to 30 minutes. Oh. So in 30 minutes, I will shut off the oven. In 30 minutes, I will shut off the oven. I will not open up the oven for the first 30 minutes or ever until I'm ready. So for the first 30 minutes, leave it in the oven at 450, turn the oven off at 30-minute mark, and then let it stay in the oven for 30 more minutes. I'll see you in an hour, and we will definitely measure the chicken, and it will be perfect. And you can't go wrong with this. 1 hour in the oven, first 30 minutes, the oven's on at 350, last 30 minutes, it's off. So if it is a pound or two more, I always increase it by 5 minutes, and you could always utilize a meat thermometer to double check in an hour if it hits the magic number for chicken to be safe to eat. So cheers for now. I'll see you in 1 hour. So I'm back. It's almost an hour. The countdown is on. Please remember that this frying pan is super hot. The handle, of course, is metal, so I'll just grab a tea cloth just as a reminder afterwards that the pan is super hot. It's good to do something like that just in case of other ones in the house, and of course for your own protection. So the countdown is on. So the chicken has to be at 160. I have my meat thermometer out. I can't wait. I can't wait to see this. Better than Costco. Trust me on this. You try it and you leave a comment. Let me know. And of course I will respond. So the countdown is on. Oh, the hardest 10 seconds. Unbelievable. Can't wait. It should beep. Awesome. So let's shut this off. Okay, the oven's been off for the last 30 minutes. Let's open up the oven. Oh, look at this bad boy. There's a lot of au jus in there. You can use that afterwards to make a amazing gravy. Some people just like the drippings by itself. Thermometer out. It's going 161. It's 162. Right there. 160. Oh, it went down because I took it out. But I'll put it back in. 162. Oh boy. You can't go better than that. So beautiful. It's ready to go. Let's get a nice plate to present it. Oh, this is here so I remember that the handle is super hot. Let's loosen this baby up. Oh, it doesn't have to be loosened at all. This is amazing. I'm doing the opposite. I should have used the reverse. And look at that juice. Look at that juice. I would strain it afterwards. Add a little bit of Dijon, a little bit of white wine, cook it. Add a little bit of chicken stock if you have it. Fantastic. Or you can just separate the fat and strain it and utilize that. Look at this. Perfectly cooked. Super moist. Trust me, you try it and you let me know. And of course, a masterpiece. A masterpiece. And now, the good part, the wait is over. I'm going to dive into this bad boy. Remember, subscribe, and stay tuned for future cool hacks. Beyond Cool, signing out.